Down here in St. Petersburg, Florida, I have a hankering for a fish sandwich. We're gonna see what we can do about that. Let's give it a try. Had a fish sandwich the other day at a local restaurant and I'm hungry. It's a good thing we caught some trout. Let's set up our batter station. All-purpose flour. We had Cajun seasoning on our fish the other night, so I think I'll put a little bit of Cajun seasoning in there. Let's crack an egg, a little bit of baking powder as well, followed by some beer. You might need to add a little more beer or a little more egg as you go. We want a nice runny batter. Our beautiful trout fillets, you might have seen them in the previous video. If you haven't, get back there and watch them. We're gonna coat those in flour. Batter's ready, we'll set that aside. We're gonna make a little tartar sauce on the fly with mayo and pickle relish. You can use pickles, chop your own, throw cucumbers in there. You can use pepperoncini peppers, but this is the quickest way. Last but not least, we need to get our buns ready. I picked up brioche buns at the store. Gonna go ahead and put some mayo on these buns, just a little bit. We want to toast these up. Griddle is ready to go. Peanut oil today. This is probably about 350 to 375. Gonna go out of the flour and into the egg wash. Wish me luck. Catch and release into the hot grease. I forgot my tongs today, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and flip these the best we can. When you're out and about, you just make do with what you have. Picked up this cheap little $8 skillet at Walmart, and look at that, it looks so good. Super thin fillets, so I'm thinking these are done already. We're gonna go in there and pull these out, put them down on my paper towel. Ooh, my goodness. Mayo side down. We're gonna do a quick toast for our buns. Look at those beautiful fish fillets in the golden sunset. Let's check out our buns. Look at that. Toasted to perfection already. A little bit of that Cajun seasoning, some of that homemade tartar sauce down on the heel. Oh man, nothing like homemade tartar sauce. If you don't like tartar sauce, ketchup. If you don't like ketchup, just eat them plain. You can eat these however you want to eat them. I brought cheese and then I forgot the cheese, so no cheese today. Some beautiful butter leaf lettuce down on the bottom. Those beautiful, fresh, deep fried trout fillets. Check those things out. And I put some hot sauce on my sandwich at the restaurant the other night, so let's do it tonight. A little bit of the Cholula green pepper. Oh man, the buns down, and take a look at that. Check out the vibe. I have a grass umbrella, a Blackstone camp griddle, and the most delicious fish sandwich in Florida. Check them out. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. Take one more look at those fish sandwiches. There's nothing like fishing in Florida, taking your catch and making one of these. Let's give it a try. So delicious. I'm gonna get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and I hope you enjoyed my trip to Florida. What a blast it is to come down here. I live in the Rocky Mountains. Anytime I get a chance to go to the ocean, I jump on it. It's so much fun. Check out all my friends on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the fresh fish sandwich from Florida.